Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best GPU thermal pad that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Gelid Solutions GP Extreme GPU Thermal Pad. The GP Extreme Thermal Pad by Gelid Solutions is a top-of-the-line cooling solution that effectively combines thermal conductivity, user-friendly properties, and reliable durability, making it an excellent choice among the best GPU thermal pads. With a high thermal conductivity of 12 with mK, the GP Extreme Thermal Pad from Gelid Solutions provides optimal heat dissipation. This high thermal conductivity ensures that your GPU stays cool even under heavy loads or during intense gaming sessions. The GP Extreme Thermal Pad is non-conductive, which is a key feature for those worried about potential short circuits. This attribute of peace of mind, combined with the pad's anti-corrosion, non-hardening and non-toxic properties, increases its safety. Thus, you can install and use this thermal pad without worrying about it harming your GPU or your health. With dimensions of 80 by 40 by 1.5 mm, the GP Extreme Thermal Pad is versatile and can be easily applied to various GPU models. In addition, it has a hardness of 3500, which provides a good balance between hardness and flexibility. This allows the pad to maintain a strong shape while adhering tightly to the GPU and heatsink. GP Extreme Thermal Pad has a density of 2.8 grams per cc. This means that it is both lightweight and efficient in its performance. Moving on at number 4, we have the Arctic Thermal Pad for GPU. Arctic Thermal Pad is based on efficient thermal conductivity. Made from a combination of silicone and special fillers, it outperforms many of its competitors. This exceptional thermal conductivity allows your GPU to stay cool even when performing demanding tasks. Arctic Thermal Pad is excellent at filling gaps, which is the most important property of a thermal pad. Due to its low hardness and impressive compressibility, this pad is a great gap filler. It easily covers uneven surfaces and gaps to maximize contact and heat transfer between the GPU and heatsink. The Arctic Thermal Pad is metal-free, electrically insulating, and non-capacitive, reducing the risk of short circuits or damage to your GPU. This makes it safe to use and install, even in close proximity to electrical components. The technical specifications also make the Arctic Thermal Pad the best choice. The 145 by 145 by 1.5 mm size provides enough coverage for most GPUs. It has a hardness of 80 Shore 00 and a specific gravity of 3.2 grams per cc. In addition, it can withstand a wide temperature range from -40 to 200, demonstrating its adaptability to various operating conditions. At number 3, we have the Thermal Grizzly Pad 8 for GPU. The Thermal Grizzly Pad 8 has a thermal conductivity of 8 with mK, which makes it very thermally conductive. This feature allows for efficient heat dissipation from the GPU, preventing overheating and improving performance under high load. One of the key advantages of Pad 8 is its wide compatibility. Whether it's a desktop computer, laptop, gaming console such as PS3, 4/5 or Xbox 360, 1, Series 10, or even a MacBook, this thermal pad is suitable for any device. This versatility makes it an attractive choice for a wide range of users. Designed to meet different user needs, the Pad 8 is a great upgrade to your cooling solution. Whether it's a home, office or gaming computer, this thermal pad consistently delivers optimal performance. In terms of heat dissipation, the Pad 8 delivers excellent results. Made of ceramic silicone and nano-aluminum oxide, this thermal pad effectively fills the gaps between components due to its flexible and highly conductive structure. It provides effective heat dissipation, resulting in improved performance and durability of your GPU. At number 2, we have the SYY Thermal Pad GPU. The SYY Thermal Pad combines excellent performance, ease of use and robust construction, all packaged in a thoughtfully designed cardboard box for better preservation. If you haven't used the entire pad, this packaging offers a good way to store the remainder for future use. In terms of performance, SYY Thermal Pad is a great solution. With an operating temperature range of -50 degrees to 200 degrees, it uses high-performance conductive materials to improve heat transfer between electronic components, effectively reducing temperatures in seconds. It is a great solution for cooling a wide range of applications, from control and electronics boards to CPUs, GPUs, heatsinks, high-power LEDs, automotive, mainframe computers, laptops, DVDs, VCDs, lids, set-top boxes, and any cooling modules. One of the key advantages of the SYY Thermal Pad is its user-friendly design. It can be freely cut to fit your needs, offering flexibility for different configurations. The soft material is easy to mold and both sides are sticky, perfectly filling gaps between contact surfaces. This makes it a great tool for both beginners and professionals. Safety and durability are also key factors for thermal pads, and the SYY Thermal Pad does not disappoint. It has low thermal resistance, high voltage insulation, is non-toxic, odorless, corrosion, abrasion, anti-static, and flame retardant. This ensures that it will not cause any harm, even when in contact with electrical wires. And finally at number 1, we have the ADWITS GPU Thermal Pad. One of the defining features of the ADWITS Thermal Pad is its excellent thermal conductivity. Crafted from thermal silica gel, it has a heat conductivity of 6.0 W/mK, ensuring effective heat transfer between your electronic components and the heatsink. This feature allows for rapid cooling, extending the life of your device and improving its performance. Safety and stability are top priorities with this thermal pad. It offers electrical insulation and will not melt in temperatures between -4200. It's also wear-resistant, anti-static, fire retardant, and does not damage metal materials. Its non-toxic, odorless nature ensures it won't cause any harm to you or your components. The ADWITS Thermal Pad is suitable for a wide range of applications, including control boards, motors, electronics, auto mechanics, computer hosts, laptops, DVDs, VCDs, lids, set-top boxes, LED ICSMD dip, and any cooling modules. Its flexibility makes it an excellent choice for various cooling needs. With each pack, you receive 6 thermal pads in 3 sizes: 20 by 67 by 0.5 mm, 20 by 67 by 1.0 mm, 20 by 67 by 1.5 mm, providing you with options to fit different gaps. You can cut the pads to the required sizes, making the installation process easy and convenient.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.